In today's video, we are going to learn a very easy and quick self-defense technique. This video is must for all, especially helpful for women. This is a situation that happens quite often, so I request all of you to share this video with your family members, especially females, so they can also stay safe. So let's start the technique. If someone suddenly grabs you and tries to control you like this, many videos on YouTube suggest that you should immediately drop down or go low. But here's a very important point. When you go down, you actually give your attacker a chance to strike your stomach like this with full force, which can cause serious injury. So this technique is not always safe. Remember that not every technique works in every situation. So here I will tell you the best technique. If the attacker is very close to you, the first option is strike your head forcefully into his nose. This will cause pain and create an opportunity for you to react. If the attacker is slightly away from you, then deliver a strong knee strike to his ribs like this. As soon as he feels pain and lose focus, when you strike forcefully, then position your leg correctly, bring your arm over from the top just like shown in the video. Lock his body and arm properly and take him down to the ground like this. If you press his arm more, it can be break. Guys, I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. When he grabs, if he close to you, hit your head on his nose. If he is far, then hit your knee shot on his ribs. Now step number 2, keep your leg back, arm like this, and this position, and here. Now he is fully under control. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in real motion. In fast, it will be work or not. Yes. Come on. Guys, this technique is very effective, but it depends on how much you practice it. Only with practice will you be able to perform this technique properly. If you like the video and want to learn more techniques, make sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.